Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you doing? I hope you're doing great. So in today's video I'm working on my nails because I need to get them done. It's been almost 3 weeks and I have a lot of growth coming in, as you can see, and I'm dying to take these off. So first I'm going to start by taking off the stones, and for that I have this jumbo cuticle cutter and I'm going to try to get them out that way. Now I'm gonna file them all. I'm gonna stay with the same shape, so all I have to do is just take out the color. I'm gonna do that with the rest of the nails. I'll be right back. Now I'm gonna push my cuticles back. Cut this little bit right here. See that? Now I got the small one. I'm gonna change my bit for a natural one that's softer. Currently what I have on is builder gel, and that's how I'm gonna do the infill. I fell in love with builder gel because I hardly get any lifting. With acrylic I would get more lifting, but with builder gel I don't get so much lifting, which makes the process so much faster. So first I'm going to start with the UV base and top gel from Mia Secret. And I'm going to cure that for a minute in a lamp. Now I'm going to be using the Cover Nude Builder Gel from Mia Secret. And what I'm going to do is try to build up the product mainly here. That's where I need it. And then just a little bit at the bottom. and I'm gonna flash cure that for 10 seconds. Now I'm gonna do the full cure. Second coat. Flash cure. Here they are fully cured. Now I have a cotton with alcohol in it to get rid of the sticky layer. Time to file. So I'm going to be using this black gel polish from Gelish and this turquoise from Madame Glam. This one's called Winter Teal. I'm going to be using those colors, but first I'm going to start with the black one. And I'm just going to place it like in a swirly angle. I'm gonna cure that for 30 seconds. I'm gonna do a second coat, but I'm not gonna cure it just yet. Because I wanna use this one now. And I have a little brush like this. I'm going to try to do a marbled situation. Like that. Now I'm going to flash cure that for 10 seconds. I think this is a quick way to do a marble look on your nails. At least for me, it's faster and easier. That way you can swirl it wherever you want. Now I'm going to top coat them, and I'm going to use the Glam top coat. I'm not done with them yet. I'm still going to use foil, but first I need to top coat it. Now I'm going to remove the sticky layer. Okay, so I have this foil glue that I got a while back, and it's kind of beat up. I'm going to try to scrape some out to see if I could use some. And I'm going to be using this foil right here. So let me cut a piece and I'll be right back. Here's my piece. And I got another brush like this one because I want to place the glue where I want. And it doesn't have to be perfect because I just want this randomly little chunks of foil. Now I'm gonna let the glue turn clear. That's how you know when it's ready to put the foil. And I'll be right back. Okay, see, I can't even see the glue anymore, but it's there. Let's start over here. And now I'm gonna top coat them again to secure the foil. Here they are all done. And I added cuticle oil. I really love them. I really think this is an easy way to do a marble nail using gel polish. At least for me, this is like the easiest way to do it. Hopefully this was helpful for anyone who was struggling doing marble nails. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give the video a thumbs up if you can. That helps me out a lot, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys.